That phone is heavy in your hand. You wrote the text. You deleted it. You wrote it again. She hasn't replied in 12 hours, maybe a day. And your gut is screaming at you to check on her, to ask if she's okay, to send that funny meme. You think sending one more text shows you care. You think it shows commitment. But I'm here to tell you the raw, brutal truth. Every single time you text her when she hasn't replied, you are killing her desire, pushing her further away, and guaranteeing she will never truly respect you. Today, we're cutting through the noise. We're going to expose the simple, raw cytology of why silence is the loudest signal of power, and why you must never text her again if you want her to come crawling back, begging for your attention. This isn't about playing games, it's about being the man she has to chase. Your finger is hovering over that send button. You feel that pull, that painful need for her attention. You think, if I just send a quick casual text, everything will be fine. Stop. Just stop. That feeling, that panic, that is the sound of your inner strength draining away. What mainstream movies and advice tell you is a lie, designed to keep you weak, chasing, and confused. They tell you to communicate. They tell you to be vulnerable. But the hidden truth is simple. In the world of attraction, constant, easy availability is the enemy of desire. When you keep texting her, especially when she's gone cold or pulled back, you are breaking the 3 simple rules that govern her interest. You are telling her, first, you are everywhere, so you are worth nothing. Think of gold. Gold is rare, that's why it's valuable. Sand is everywhere, that's why it's just sand. Every text you send when you haven't heard back is like pouring sand onto the market. You are making yourself common. You are signaling to her animal brain, that part that chooses mates, that you have nothing else important going on. Your whole world revolves around her reply. And that, brother, is the fastest way to kill the spark. When she sees you are waiting, she knows she has you. And what she has, she stops respecting. If this truth feels like a punch to the gut, that's good. It means you're finally seeing the matrix. If you're ready to stop being the guy who is taken for granted and start being the man she obsessively thinks about, you need to be here. Hit that subscribe button right now. We only deal in the hard truth that makes men strong. Let me tell you about a guy. Let's call him Leo. Leo was a great guy, but he was always nervous. He met a woman, and after their first date, she took 14 hours to reply. Leo sent 3 texts in that time, 2 follow-ups, and a funny meme. When she finally replied, her text was short and cold. Leo was desperate. He kept texting, trying to get her to be warm again. He was everywhere. She pulled away completely, saying, "I need space." She came back later, but only when she needed a favor. She never respected him because he taught her, through his texting, that he would chase her no matter what. He showed her his worth was low. Your texting is a report card that shows her your worth. The second simple rule you break is about your inner strength, your own world. We call this the frame. Your frame is your center, your self-respect, your mission, your purpose outside of her. When she goes silent, she is running a test. She is checking if her silence can break your center. She wants to see if you will lose control and chase. When you text her again, you fail the test. You tell her, yes, you control my feelings. Your silence hurts me, and I will abandon my own self-respect to get your attention back. Another guy, Daniel, was dating a woman who started going cold after 2 months. She'd leave him on read. Daniel's instinct was to send a long, deep text about their relationship, asking, "What's wrong?" and "Can we talk?" He poured his heart out. He told her how much her distance hurt him. She replied, "Thanks for sharing, but I just think we want different things." That was it. But when Daniel finally swallowed his pain and went silent for 3 weeks, focusing only on his job and hitting the gym, she started sending him random texts. First a meme, then a question about his day, then a full conversation. Why? Because his silence, his absence, told her he was unbothered. It told her his world was fine without her. It told her he was strong enough to walk away. She respected that strength and came back to test it. If you are seeing yourself in these stories, if you're realizing that your nice guy texts are actually showing weakness, don't miss the rest of this. We're about to cover the only thing you should do instead of texting. This is the moment you stop being desperate and start being desired. Subscribe now and let's get you that respect back. The third simple rule: you must make her feel the loss. If your text is always there, she never feels your absence. And if she never feels your absence, she never has to think about you. Her attraction for you needs a little uncertainty, a little bit of wondering. When you are silent, she is forced to ask herself, why isn't he texting? Is he busy? Is he seeing someone else? Does he even care? That little bit of fear, that uncertainty, that mental investment is what lights up her desire. Your silence makes her invest her thoughts into you. Your texting makes her invest nothing. So what do you do right now? You make the choice to never text her again until she reaches out with clear interest. And you use all that energy you were wasting worrying about her reply, and you put it into yourself. You go back to your mission. There was a man, Chris, who was ghosted by a woman he liked. He was crushed. He wanted to call and text, but he remembered this rule. He chose silence. He started working out twice a day, took a demanding certification for his job, and booked a solo trip to a new country. He didn't do it for her. He did it to become the man he wanted to be. After 5 weeks of absolute silence, he was happier, stronger, and more focused than before. Guess what happened? She texted him, "Hey, I had a crazy few weeks and was thinking about you. How have you been?" Chris replied one short text hours later, showing he was busy and good. He didn't chase. He showed her his new high-value reality. His silence made him rare. His new life made him attractive. She came back because he made her feel the loss and then showed her what she missed. Your job is not to win her back with words. Your job is to become the man she wants to win back with her actions. Stop texting. Start lifting. Start focusing. Stop chasing. Start building. Trust me on this. The power is in your silence, because your silence forces her to ask the right question. Why isn't he chasing me? And when she asks that, she starts chasing you. You now know the 3 simple rules behind why silence works and texting fails. You know that your worth is built on your own self-respect, not on her reply. Now here's the big question for you to think about. If her coming back depends on your silence, what does that simple fact tell you about the true nature of female attraction? Think hard about that. I want to know what you think this all means. Drop a comment below and share your opinion or what you learned from this video. Let me know if you've ever used silence and how it worked for you. If you're ready to reclaim your power, if you're ready to master your own emotional center, and if you want more hard truths that will change your life, then commit right now. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and join the men who are building a life so strong, women have to crawl back just to be near it.